What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can get your TikTok account back without your email address or mobile number. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to on your TikTok app. Just like this, you have to go to on your TikTok. After opening this, you have to click on profile. You have to go to your profile. Then what you need to do, you have to go to on this, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you have to click on settings and privacy. After doing so, you have to click on you have to click on account just like this. Then you have to click on password. Then TikTok will send you a notification on your email address. They will email you a OTP that you have to put it here. So what if you don't have your email address or mobile number of your TikTok account? So what you need to do, you have to go to on settings just like this. After going to settings, what you need to do, you have to click on Google. After clicking on Google, what you have to do, you have to click on manage your Google account just like this. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. After doing so, what you have to do, you have to click on security option just like here. Then you have to scroll a lot and scroll all the way to end. Then you have to click on a option called password manager just like this. Then you have to scroll down and find the TikTok app to say your password. You have to click on TikTok. Then you have to put your password or your fingerprint just like this. Then here is the tricks. There you can copy your username and you can copy your password from here. Then you can sign in into your TikTok account. This is how you can get back your TikTok account without your phone number or email address. So this is the only way guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.